Welcome all, my name is Kai, and this is a journey of solo travel, creativity, and thriving beyond 50. Here we celebrate freedom, healing, and the art of living boldly. Whether I'm writing from the mountaintops or chasing sunsets by the sea, this space is all about embracing life, one soul-filled adventure at a time. In a few short days, I will be boarding a plane to spend some time with all of my children and my grandbabies. Yes. As I've gotten older, I realized that I'm not always excited about the ending destination, like the place that I'm going. I am real excited about those that I get a chance to see. That's what excites me now. It's the people. It's the people that I love, the smiles, the laughter, the family reunions, the cookouts, the fun times, the joking, the playing around, the hanging out with the grandbabies, running around, playing, all of that. And good food, yes, definitely good food. So that's what I'm looking forward to. And even though I still enjoy solo travel and going to see places, nothing beats this. I'm starting to learn that solo flying is a lot easier than driving now. My family will be driving up, and I could ride with them, but I just don't want to be in the car that long. I like solo flying and I like being able to relax and let somebody else do it, but I don't want to spend hours in a vehicle in order to enjoy my vacation. So I'm going up a day ahead and I'm coming back a day later. And that's what excites me the most is the quickness of a flight. The anticipation of being able to see my family to me is almost as joyful as the trip itself. I just can't wait to see all of them because I haven't really traveled much in the last year because I was dealing with a lot of different things that I had to take care of financially. And now that I am back in travel mode, this was the first trip that I wanted to take. Not a trip to Japan, not a trip to Africa, but a trip to where my children were. So I am so excited and anticipating seeing all their little faces and listening to them laugh and watching them play. It is just the best thing that I could be doing for myself in this season of my life. And one thing that gardening has taught me as I started this new hobby is that life just keeps on growing. Life keeps getting better. It produces a whole lot. And what I want is to produce the most memories as possible. So when I'm no longer around, my children will remember all the good times that we spent together, traveling together, going on vacation together, the cookouts, the reunions, all of that. That is what I want my kids to remember me by. So this trip is probably the best one I have taken in a very long time. Life over 50 doesn't have to be boring. And I plan to retire soon, way before the retirement age. And the reason is because I really want to spend my time not working to live, but just to have fun, to enjoy whatever time I have left. And to me, that means seeing my kids more, taking vacations with my children more, all of that. And I'm healthier than I've been in a long time. And I'm going to continue to, embrace good health by the way that I eat, the way that I travel, the way that I move, the way that I stay physically fit. I'm going to work on that during this time. And when I start traveling even more with my family, I will have the ability to do so because I'll be physically fit and able to keep up with them, especially the younger ones and all of my grandchildren. So I'm embracing life after 50. I'm embracing slow travel. I'm embracing getting older I'm embracing what it's going to be like to retire because life's too short to be worried about clocking in, going to work, and all of those type of things that I don't have to do anymore. And I am really looking forward to all the good times that are to come.